What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bear with me through this intro. It's going to be a little bit long. I'm going to talk for a little bit, but that's because I really have some stuff that I got to tell you guys. First of all, this video is going to be a little bit messy. I really apologize for that. It's not going to be coherent whatsoever, and that is because I'm going to have to film it over the course of the next couple of days, because if you follow me on Instagram, you know how hectic my life has been lately. You know how busy my schedule has been. And I'm literally just going to work on my car and film what I can when I have time, because I have a deadline. I have a track day coming up in the next couple of days that I really need to prep the car for. And any second that I get to work on the car, I'm just going to grab the camera, go outside, and just work on it really fast. So this video is not going to be, in my opinion, as entertaining as most of them, but I do want to bring you guys along on this journey of everything that I'm doing to the car, and I just want to keep you updated. So this is the way that this video is going to have to be. I apologize in advance for that. The reason that everything has been so hectic is because, as you guys know, I have been looking for a place to live. I've been looking for an apartment to lease, and I have not been able to find anything at all. But the good news is I signed a lease yesterday, and your girl picked up the keys to her apartment today. So very excited about that. I was supposed to work on my car this morning, and then they called me and told me that I could come and pick up my keys, and I honestly couldn't resist. And now it's like 5 o'clock, so I have to go outside and work on the car really fast. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to change the fluids in the car. I'm going to change the oil and change the diff fluid in the car. That's what's most important before this track day in the next couple of days, so I'm going to do that. And then after I change that, I'm going to go and buy a trailer, because your girl found a trailer for her car that I think is going to be really, really perfect for it. It's got a tire rack. The trailer was built for a stock car, so it's really low and really wide. So I think that it's going to be pretty perfect for me. I found a place to store the trailer, finally. Oh my gosh, so excited about that. So I'm going to go pick up the trailer, drop the trailer off where I'm going to store it. No, I'm going to pick up the trailer, bring the trailer back here so that I can load my car up on the trailer before the track day in a couple of days. The temp gauge still needs to be wired on the car, and a temperature warning light needs to be wired on the car, because if I'm honest, I love hot lapping my car. As soon as I start doing really good, that's usually when my car starts to get really hot. And I just usually decide to just hot lap my car instead of being responsible. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, it should be good. Like I said, I'm just gonna run outside and work on the car whenever I have time. I apologize for the format of this video, but that's just how it has to be. So, alright, unfortunately right now, since I don't have a quick release set up for the back bumper yet, it's in the mail, it's on the way, I actually have to take the back bumper off to be able to jack the car up. I'm gonna let that do its thing, and I'm gonna drain the diff fluid. Oh, it smells fantastic. I hate the way this smells. Ugh. Ooh. That's not good. Oh, it smells so bad. As you can tell, it is getting very dark outside very fast, so I think I'm going to wait until tomorrow to put the new fluids in the car, but at least for now they are drained. But what I'm going to go and do right now is go and pick up that trailer that I told you guys about. It looks really sick from the pictures, so I'm going to try my best to take you along with me so that you can see the trailer and everything. Might have to integrate some iPhone footage here just so that I can have the flash on, but let's go and pick up that trailer. I already told you guys my mind is like everywhere and that this video was going to be a mess, but I forgot to record everything on my way up here, but I just got here with the trailer, so I will do a quick walk around for you guys really quick. Alright you guys, so here's the trailer. There's a tire rack on here, as you can see. There's no center, which is kind of nice. If we ever need to pull a transmission or anything like that, it'll be pretty easy to do that with the car on the trailer. Super slim. And then it's pretty low carb friendly, what it looks like right now. It's actually pretty wide too. So sick, I'm so stoked. What's up, Danny? Say hi to the people. They can't see you, but
this thing is super solid.
We're buying the trailer. We got the trailer. So excited. Big girl moves today. Now there's no more excuses for me to not be driving. I can just put my car in the trailer anytime. So I actually had to borrow... Bruh. So I actually had to borrow this trailer hitch from the guy that I bought the trailer from, because this is a 2 5/16 ball, and I had a 2-inch ball, so I have to come back and give this to him tomorrow. So we're gonna try to find a hitch on Amazon right now. This is what, 9 inches?
9-inch drop.
9-inch drop. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a pretty big difference.
Holy moly. Yeah, that's insane.
Where it actually needs to be.
Yeah, we literally had to lift the trailer up to get it onto the ball. Danny has been walking me through this entire process. I thought you quit.
I did.
You did quit.
And I got suckered in with cold brews.
With nitro cold brews. Oh man.
So on this one, it's 8,000 pounds with a 2-inch ball and 10,000 with a 2 5/16.
Huh.
So that's
And it's got both of them.
Major upgrade.
That one's sick. Let's get that one. What's up, you guys? It is a brand new day. Unfortunately, the other night I didn't have time to put the new fluids in the car before it got dark outside. So I'm going to give you guys a little walk around of the trailer in the sunlight so you can see how beautiful it is and see how cool it is. And then I'm going to put the new fluids in the car, maybe wire the temp gauge today, and then we will be ready for track day. Alright, you guys, so here is the beautiful new trailer. This is actually built, custom built for a stock car. So it should be pretty low carb friendly. The one thing that I'm really excited about is not having to take my body kit off of the car every single time that I have to load the car up on the trailer. So originally I did say that it's got this center missing and it would be nice to be able to do a transmission job, but to be honest with you, Cam can't even fit underneath there because that's how low this trailer is. So we won't be doing any transmission jobs on the trailer. I actually went to the store today and picked up a couple of things for the trailer really quick. I got a spare tire mount because this trailer does not have a spare tire at the moment and I plan on buying one. Also got some really good toe straps just because the toe straps that I've been using are a little bit sketchy. They're probably older than I am. I also got some reflective tape. The reason that I bought reflective tape is because I have a friend of mine that their trailer brake lights went out on the highway one time and I was following them and it was super duper hard to see them. So I decided that if I have reflective tape on my trailer, this way in case my trailer lights ever do go out, at least people can still see me. They won't be able to tell when I'm braking, but at least they'll still see that I have a trailer on the car. That's the stuff that I got for the trailer. Super excited. Probably gonna load the car up today after I change the fluids and stuff like that. So hopefully it fits on here with this tire rack, because the other guy actually removed this bar originally because his stock car had a big hood scoop on it and it didn't fit. So cross our fingers, hope that my car fits. Hey Cam, you want to replace the oil filter while you're down there? No? Okay, I guess I'll do it. Well, it's a good thing that I didn't have Cam change the oil filter because I realized that my sway bar bushings are torn. So, I guess it's time to upgrade those. I thought you didn't want to change the oil filter. What are you doing? Okay, so while I've been pumping this diff fluid, what did you notice, Danny?
Oh, we got a torn axle boot over here on the inside, and it looks like all the grease has already made its way out of it.
Sick.
So that's what's scattered all over the subframe right now.
So I'm testing the car tomorrow like this.
Yeah.
I hope you know. And then we can fix it after that. I guess it's a good thing that I'm changing the fluids because I noticed the sway bar bushings were ripped over there, and now we're realizing that the axle boot, is it torn?
Let's see, this one seems okay. Dry, but they're all right. So we got this guy here.
Look so you can see.
I'm pretty sure it's pointing where I want it to be. It's all out. We got grease everywhere. It's up at the top.
Sick. And then also, now look at this. And then this, the diff bushing needs to be changed too. So it looks like we need to do more than just a once over on this car.
Yeah, it's starting to look that way.
It needs a little bit of love. Finally done with the diff fluid. Woo! Alright, the fluids have finally been changed in the car. The car is finally on the ground, almost ready to go on the trailer. Steven just got here. He's going to rewire my temp gauge for me and make sure that it is not next to the downpipe so that it will not melt again. So Steven's going to wire that up really quick, and then I'm going to throw the car on the trailer, and then I should be good to go for my track day tomorrow. So it's not next to the downpipe, right?
Yeah. I think Bob did where everything else is going through.
Okay.
The batteries and everything.
Uh-huh. So that it won't melt on the downpipe.
Everything else is run through there, so why not? It's easy.
Yeah.
The wire until it gets hot, which is, like I said, it's kind of hard when nothing's holding. And then when it gets hot, you don't really, like usually it smokes, but then you just feed the wire, the solder into the wire itself. So the reason why you heat the bottom is because you want the solder to suck into the wire, like soak into it. Not if you just tap it on top, whatever, then it'll just be stacked.
Alright, Steven had to head out while I was doing other stuff. But he did wire the temp gauge, and it does work now, thankfully. So let's see. Yeah, way better. Let's go. Please. Yeah. Working gauges. As usual, it's getting really dark really fast, so I'm gonna throw this thing up on the trailer really quick, strap it down, and then I will be ready for tomorrow. I seem to have encountered a roadblock. That is my way out because my back bumper is too low and it'll get caught if I try to drive it out this very, very shallow driveway. It's not even that steep, but I gotta get my dad to move his car. Literally all of these cars are ours. That one's ours, that one's ours, that one's ours, that one's ours, this one, and then that one, the one next to it, and that one. Thank you. Really had traction control on. Oh, now I can move my car. my gosh, this barely fits under the tire rack. Holy crap. All right, finally done prepping for tomorrow. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. I am super tired, and I left my vlog camera in the truck because I was trying to prep for tomorrow. So back in my apartment now, but I just wanted to sign off here. I will see you guys in the next video where I will be doing some driving, and I have a special guest appearing in my next video. So make sure you keep an eye out for that one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow, but probably next week for you. So stay tuned. Bye.